Abalone is a fun two-player board game where players try to knock out their opponent's marbles while protecting their own. Each player starts with 14 marbles in either black or white, arranged on their side of the board. Black goes first. On a player's turn, they can move 1 to 3 marbles one space on the board. To move a marble, push on it with your finger to slide it into an adjacent slot. If a player moves more than one marble, the marbles must be within the same straight line. A line of marbles can be diagonal or straight across. The goal of the game is for players to push their opponent's marbles off of the board using their own marbles. However, the line of marbles they're using to push their opponent's marbles must be at least one marble longer than their opponent's. For example, a player can use 2 marbles to push a single marble owned by the other player. But they can't use 2 marbles to push a line of 2 marbles owned by the other player. It may take multiple turns to push an opponent's marble or marbles off of the board. Choosing moves becomes more complicated as each player's marbles become mixed together on the board. Whoever pushes 6 of their opponent's marbles off of the board first wins the game.